On this week's episode of the Boho Family Adventure, our home, Savannah, has been sold. We are selling our house, basically. Boho Family Adventure. Welcome back. It's been a very long time. It's been... Oh, there you go. It's been months.
Oh, cheeky.
It's been a long time since we've made a video, and the reasons are our home, Savannah, who Kyla has just finished giving a little facelift, has been sold. We are selling our house, basically. So we've lived in Savannah for a year and a week, pretty much. And before that, we were just pottering around at weekends. So she has been our full-time home through France, Spain, Portugal, England, Scotland, Wales, festivals, winter, work, everything for a year. And now it's time today to say goodbye. She's going to a new home, and we've all had a little tear. Kyla is still going. Indy, Savannah's going to a new home, isn't she?
Who are we moving into?
Yeah, so we have a new van called Bovanna, because we're not very clever when it comes to naming vans.
No,
so we stuck. She does, yeah. Indy calls Savannah Nana. So we've got something similar. So we thought Boho, Vanna, Bovanna. But we just wanted to do a goodbye video because this is the last time we'll see Savannah. So we've never done a tour. So there is a video coming up just to kind of show you what we've been living in. But yeah, very, very much mixed emotions for everyone. Kyla's crying all the time.
I love this van.
We absolutely love this van. Through the ups and downs, she's been with us, and this little one's grown up and love it. Do you love Savannah? Are you going to miss Savannah?
Oh, cheeky.
Indy, are you going to miss Savannah? Yeah. Yeah, we're all going to miss Savannah. She's been great. But she's going to a lovely home. Chicken? Oh. Chicken. Bellina. So yeah, we've been at an Airbnb. We're just taking out like all of our stuff to move into the new van in 2 days' time. We've got a day off. So yeah, we just wanted to upload an update video and say bye-bye.
And to say that moving home is hard enough, but moving vans is the most stressful thing ever.
Yeah, we will do a proper video on.
Stressful.
We'll do a proper video on moving vans and stuff when we can talk properly and we've got the camera back on and stuff. But we are literally picking up the van Thursday morning at 9 o'clock, and we have to be at a festival 9 o'clock Friday morning, 7 hours away. So straight into adventures, as always. That's what we do here. So,
I can't say that.
goodbye from Bellina. Bellina,
Do you want to have the camera?
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Say bye-bye from Indy.
Can you hold the camera and say bye-bye? See you soon.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Move your thumb. Can't see you. Say bye-bye.
Now I can kick a guitar.
Okay, say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Kyla.
Bye-bye, Kara.
Bye-bye from me. Bye-bye from Matt. And bye-bye from Savannah. We'll see you soon. Everyone, big waves.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Mindy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Bovanna.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho Family Adventure. Hello Hello adventurers, and welcome back to what seems to be a very long time, and we are back on our YouTube channel. Now loads of exciting things have happened which we're going to sit down and tell you about in a bit, but here's the family. Hi Indy.
Hi.
Hi Kyla, mummy.
Hi.
You call me daddy?
Yeah.
So loads of things have happened, like tons of things. First of all, just over a year ago we moved into our camper van. Birds. Our camper van Savannah, and we lived in her, travelling Europe and the UK and everywhere else for a year, didn't we, Dindy? Yeah. And then we had a little winter away, we did some festivals, we worked and things like that, and now are we going to the beach? Now, if you've not noticed, our home looks a little bit different, so we are going to tell you more about that later on and give you a little idea of where we live now, and also show you what we're up to today. Yeah. Star of the show. So welcome back to the Boho Family Adventure, and we're in Wales. So we've got lots of ideas for the channel of what we want to do, and this one might be a little bit sketchy. It's been a while, but let's show you what we're kind of up to over the next few days. What's going on, adventurers? We are down at a beautiful beach in Wales. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it because I will absolutely butcher it, as you know, but I will put a little video showing where we are. It is a beautiful, beautiful day here, and great to be back out on the adventures after a terrible, terrible winter, which we'll talk about later on and whatever. So I just wanted to show you what we're up to today. So things are, this is probably going to be all over the place. It's been so long since we put a video together. We took a big break and we've had a chat about things we want to do and move forward and stuff. And it's slowly become a reality that we moved into Big Bow. And what we want to do is we want to road school or homeschool, however you want to say it, Indy. We want to give her the best opportunity to enjoy being around people and learning while enjoying this. Now look at this view. So we're not too far from Llywelyn in Wales, at a beautiful campsite right off the beach, which we'll take you to tomorrow as well. We've met up with some friends today, which was really cool. It was nice to have a bit of a catch up and whatnot, but now we're going to have a bit of a chilled one, have some food. And then we'll talk to you about what's going on over the next kind of 12 months, I suppose. Please go and check out all of our previous videos. Season 1, we were traveling through Europe, which was crazy. We did 3 months in our original camper van, Savannah. And also we did season 2, which was festival season. For Power Retro Gaming, which is the business we run and how we make our money. So that was really cool to show you guys that. So things will be a little bit different this year. Then season 3 was a few little posturing arounds and stuff. And yeah, we're going to start bringing you back on our adventures. It's been so long. I've missed you guys. Honestly, missed you. I missed you. And we can't wait to give you a van tour as well, and everything we love about our new van, Vanna.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.